have a Rueda circle here with 4 couples. To get into the 4-couple llanta position, 2 couples that are opposite from each other are designated to move to square up with the other 2 couples. So let's have that happen. Get into llanta. Now we have 4 couples that are facing each other, and you'll notice that they make a straight line, which happened because there were 4 couples sort of originally in a square position. The next thing that happens is that every leader releases the current partner and picks up the partner, the follower on their right, and does a dame with them. So let me have the leaders all dame. And now this is the Avenida position. This is the position in which we do the structure called Avenida. You see this center area? This is the avenue. The pequeña couples would be the 2 that are on this side, right here. Raise your hands, guys. Yeah, they're in a pequeña circle, and these guys are in a pequeña circle. Raise your hands. The grande circle is only one grande circle, and that's all 8 of them.